At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hi Alex, I have a couple questions for you. What if your HVAC system could predict maintenance needs before a breakdown?
Well, smart sensors monitor air qualities, temperatures, and system performance, providing real-time data analytics that enables proactive maintenance.
Can your HVAC system save you money on your energy bills?
Oh, absolutely, Jennifer. These technologies automatically adjust settings for optimal conditions, significantly by reducing energy consumptions.
Wouldn't it be great if your business environment was constantly comfortable and efficient?
Well, that's exactly, Jennifer, what smart HVAC systems deliver: improved comfort, efficiencies, productivity for everyone. Want to learn more about how smart technologies can benefit your building? Contact your Campbell team member. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time on Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.